Have you ever wondered why a simple onion can make your eyes water like you're watching a sad movie? We're diving into the science of onion tears. It's a common kitchen experience, but what exactly causes that stinging sensation and sudden flow of tears when chopping an onion? The mystery is all down to a fascinating chemical reaction triggered by the simple act of cutting. When you cut an onion, you set off a cascade of chemical events that ultimately lead to tear production. The process begins when the onion is cut and its cells are damaged. Inside these cells are key components stored separately. Inside the onion are sulfur-containing compounds and certain enzymes. Cutting the onion allows these substances to mix together and react chemically. This chemical reaction produces a gas called syn-Propanethial-S-oxide, which is commonly known as the onion tear gas. Now that this gas has been released, let's see what happens when it reaches your eyes. The gas rises into the air and reaches your eyes. It then contacts the moisture on the surface of your eye. When the tear gas combines with eye moisture, it forms a mild sulfuric acid solution, which is an irritant. To protect themselves, your eyes send signals to the tear glands to produce extra tears, washing away the irritating chemical and causing that familiar burning sensation. Why did onions evolve to do this in the first place? It's a natural defense mechanism. Scientists believe this mechanism evolved to discourage animals and pests from eating them. The irritating chemicals protect the onion while it grows underground. Don't despair. Here are some practical ways to reduce those unwanted tears. Chill the onion in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before cutting. Lower temperatures reduce the speed of the chemical reaction. Using a very sharp knife minimizes cell damage, which means less release of the irritant. You can also cut under a kitchen vent or near a fan, or wear protective goggles if you are very sensitive. Cutting onions under a kitchen vent or near a fan helps to draw the irritating gas away from your face before it can reach your eyes. Try cutting the root end last, as it contains a high concentration of sulfur compounds, minimizing exposure to the most potent part. One last interesting tidbit before we recap the science. Not all onions make you cry equally. Sweeter onions, like the Vidalia, generally contain fewer sulfur compounds, leading to less tearing. Quick summary. Onions make you cry because cutting them releases a sulfur-containing gas. This gas irritates your eyes, causing tears to wash the irritant away. It's a natural defense mechanism. Now you know the science behind the tear.